Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to add someone's post in AirDrop on Socrates, guys. You can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Socrates. Then you can see there many posts. Select any one post which you want add in AirDrop. Then click on 3 dot on this post. Then you can see there a drop option. Click on it. Then click on anyone as you wish. Then click on confirm. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily add someone post on AirDrop in Socrates.